Okay, you have 5 minutes. Start now.
Good morning, the judges and the audience. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the Incredible Senior High School, SMA 2 Kudus. So we also incredible student. My name is Cikita Mustika, and she is my partner Anissa. This is our research simple mathematical equation to find the given direction. But before we go to the main presentation, we want to show you a short video that has relation with the main presentation. Check this out.
Kan seperti itu, katanya tinggal seperti itu kalau kita makan. Pakai itu kan obat kanker. Berapa puluh ribu kali lebih kuat dari kemoterapi. Cuma kalau pandang sendiri, oke, mau kulitnya, karena padan itu kan dibikin dari sama kulitnya, lebih kuat juga. Nah,
Nah, as you can see in that video, there are 100 million Muslims in the world every day. In the malls, in our home, in the backyard, and many places they can pray. But there are just one direction that they must pray, and just direct to the right place. The direction called Qiblat and the place called Ka'bah that located in Masjidil Haram, Mecca. Because of that, Muslims in the world have different directions that they must pray, right? I give example. We are in Indonesia, so we must direct to the northwest. If we are in South Korea, we must direct to the southwest. If we are in Argentina, we must direct to the northeast. If we are in Canada, we must direct to the southeast. Right? Besides, in this era globalization, we also can use other application that also can use to find Qiblat direction, right? Like GPS or maybe compass. But it still have disadvantage to use. Like compass, it compared by magnet. If our environment also there are a magnet, it will attracted with the compass. And if you are use GPS, we still need internet connection. If we are not have pulse, how we can use it, right? So we want to solve this problem and help them with this mathematical equation from trigonometry to determine the Qiblat direction. How we can find that will explain by my partner Anissa.
Okay, the experimental method. First, we find geographic coordinate, the Ka'bah and certain place, and then second, find mathematical equation with trigonometry. Like this, we can make line from north to east, west to east, and then make line from north to south, from Indonesia and Ka'bah. And then next location.
Then this is a hypotenusa, right? It makes a triangle, and this is the theta for the direction of Qiblat. Then
Location in South Korea with the same before. And then last, we find to pass the geographic coordinate the Ka'bah and certain place to mathematical equations. This is an application that also used to find Qiblat direction. It have disadvantage to use.
And this is the result. Because of Earth divided by two hemispheres, that is North Hemisphere and South Hemisphere, so we also have two formula for this case. First, if location of certain place in north longitude, tan theta equals north longitude of some place minus north longitude of Ka'bah times radius of Earth divided by latitude of some place minus latitude of Kaabah times radius cos theta. And second, if location of certain place in south longitude tan theta equals south longitude of some place plus north longitude of Kaabah times radius of Earth divided by latitude of some place minus latitude of Kaabah times radius cos theta. How we can find this? Because of that.
Example, where is Qiblat direction in Kudus city? First, we must detect coordinate geography in Kudus because of Kudus were in south. Then we enter to data to the second formula, like that. And then next, where is the Qiblat direction if we are in south? So, first we must detect coordinate geography in south. Because of south were in north, then we enter that data to the first formula. The conclusion, Qiblat trigonometry can be used to determine right calculation to decide Qiblat direction in each place in the world.
We did this research
because of our research, we have recommendation to the judges and the audience. First, our mathematical equation can be used in the front of application or support other application that exists. And the second, it can be used for fisher or sailing people at the sea. You find the Qiblat direction. So, no direction for Qiblat, go for trigonometry. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Because they are many languages improved and there are many fields that drive away of the language improved.
So, what is your what you do? Can you tell me what you do that different with other people do?
Can you repeat once more, please?
What's special with your work here?
We have a question about some people still confused how to find the Qiblat direction. Then we minimize the problem with our research with basic trigonometry.
The problem for people who confuse to find the Qiblat directions is to find the method about to find Qiblat direction, and you have to compare your method into other method, not the people problem is their problem. But for people who already know to get to know Qiblat directions, how they method compared to yours.
We want to share our research to them that some people that who maybe if you are have traveling, there are some people who tell us to like that. Then if we are if we can, we want to share this to everybody.
Most important.
If we can.
But the requirement is you still need to know the location, right?
Yes.
The north, let's say the latitude and longitude, right? So for common people, do you think that they know the exact location in terms of longitude and latitude?
Yes, but in that recommendation, like in the recommendation, in the first recommendation, it can support the other application that exists. Maybe in GPS, there are coordinates, but in our research, the further we want to make application that more easy that than the other application.
Do you think your method is easier for fisher?
Yes, absolutely yes.
Why?
Because it not depend on sun position.
And the fisher must be calculated.
The fish must calculate.
Yeah. Because of that, we want to.
And with calculator, right?
Yes.
Because you have to convert sin theta into, you have to find the angle, right?
Yes.
You still need calculator.
Yeah, because of that, in the future, we want to make application. It is still a formula. We found a formula from Olympics.
It comes from our responsibility plan. But
Okay, my question is,
and transfer.
you want to know the kiblat directions, means you have to know the